Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be giving you some easy and affordable looks you can do for the holidays. Now all of these looks are done with this one bundle of braiding hair. This was 52 inches and all of the looks are ponytail looks, so really cheap and affordable, easy. As you can see here, I attached the braiding hair onto my small little ponytail. I tried to get it as small as I could. I could have got it smaller because it was really hard trying to hide it. I wrapped some hair around my ponytail to make it look a little bit natural. As you can see, I'm still trying to hide it. I take this big scrunchie here. I didn't really like it, but it's still a look, you know? Next up, I'm just twisting it. I took 2 sections and twisted the hair. This can be a look. Bam, it's done. Real simple. It's cute. And now I'm just wrapping the twist around into a really big bun. Another way to cover up your real hair up under the braided hair. These styles can actually be done to go to work or just a quick way to get cute. Like, you don't gotta do too much. Of course, a pack of braided hair don't cost that much. And here's the next look. I just braided it. This is my favorite look and definitely a go-to. I like to puff out my braid just so it can be bigger, can look more natural, and give it like a messy look. You can also pull out some of those hairs and kind of curl it around your finger. Alright, next up I just made a crown braid. I'm real big on these. I love crown braids, but guess what? I don't know how to cornrow, so this is the simplest way I know how to do it. And I think it's just super cute. Reminds me of being a princess. I added some little jewels here just to jazz it up, give it that holiday look. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.